So particular integral is equal to what? 1 upon f of d dash into f of xy. Here this f of xy is nothing but the 2 into sine 3x plus 2y 3x plus 2y. So we substitute these values. Okay, and in place of f of d dash, instead of substituting this, आपण हे substitute करूयात. ठीक है, so we will get this d into this d square minus 4d dash plus 4d dash square. Why? Because we cannot substitute d in place of d cube. D square into d dash d into d dash square. Okay, so that's why we have simplified this into 2 sine of 3x plus 2y. Okay, so what we have to substitute? D square is equal to minus of a square, and here a is 3 and b is equal to 2. The value of a is 3 and the value of b is equal to 2. Okay, so in place of d square we substitute minus of a square. Minus of a square means minus 9. Then in place of d dash is equal to minus of ab. Minus of ab means is equal to minus of 3 into 2, which is minus of 6. And then d dash square. In place of d dash square, क्या substitute करेंगे? Minus b square, and that is nothing but the minus 4. Okay, so here this 1 upon d into what? D square means minus 9, then minus 4 into d dash means minus 6, and then plus 4 into minus 4, plus 4 into minus 4, and this 2 into sine of 3x plus 2y. So now next here 1 upon d, this as it is, 1 upon d as it is rahega. So minus 9 and this minus 9 plus 24 and then minus 16. Okay, and this 2 into sine of 3x plus 2y. You can take this constant term outside of this expression. Outside of this expression means यहाँ पे ले सकते हो आप. ठीक है, so this minus 9 and minus 16 means minus 25. Minus 25 and plus 24 means into minus 1. ठीक है, and this 2 sine of 3x plus 2y. Now we take this minus 2, this minus sign with this 2, and 1 upon d of sine 3x plus 2y. So now here 1 upon d is left, and whenever if you find 1 upon d, so that is nothing but the integration with respect to x. Whenever you get 1 upon d dash, this term like this, so it will be integration with respect to y. Okay, so now next, so this is minus 2 and integration of this sine 3x plus 2y with respect to x. So what's the integration of sine? It's minus cos. It's minus cos of 3x plus 2y, and here 3 is there, so upon 3. So next it's minus 2 minus minus plus 2 upon 3 cos of 3x plus 2y is the particular integral of for the given given partial differential equation. So this is the particular integral. Now we next write the final solution. The final solution so what's the final solution? Z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what was complementary function? I think complementary function was f1y plus f2y plus 2x and plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. 3 distinct रूट्स थे, ठीक है. So this was complementary function जो कि पहले ही निकाल लिया था हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में, ठीक है. Here it is. So complementary function पहले ही निकाल लिया था and अभी हमने निकाला है उसका particular integral and we are going to write the final solution in the form of complementary function plus particular integral. So plus particular integral, what is particular integral? Particular integral आया है cos 2/3 into cos of 3x plus 2y. So now this is your final solution. Next, example number 33. Example number 33. Solve dou 2z by dou x square minus dou 2z by dou x into dou y is equal to sin x into cos 2y. अभी ये जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स हम ले रहे हैं, we are not using direct formula. That they need some simplification. ठीक है, सॉल्व करने से पहले उसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन लगेगा. दे आर नॉट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ठीक है, अभी जैसे कि हमारा इसके पहले का जो प्रॉब्लम था कि साइन ऑफ 3x प्लस 2y था, तो हमने डायरेक्ट उस वहां पे फॉर्मूला लगाया था. ठीक है, सो व्हाट डी स्क्वायर in place of d square we have substitute -9 -6 -4, but it was not this terms, no, ये टर्म्स नहीं थी यहाँ पे, हमने वो टर्म्स लेके आए थे by taking d common. ठीक है, so simplifications लगे थे वहां पे. So here also we will require simplifications. Now this is not in the form of sin ax plus by and nor in the form of cos ax plus by. तो अभी इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? एक तो साइन भी नहीं है, कॉस भी नहीं है, दोनों है, साइन और कॉस. ठीक है, सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन? सो देखो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. Very first we write in the standard form. Standard form means dou by dou x we represent by d, and differential, partial differential with respect to y we denote by d dash. So it will become d square minus d into d dash operating on z is equal to sin x into cos 2y. Sin x into cos 2y. ठीक है, very first we find its complementary function and it बहुत easy है complementary function वो, क्योंकि बहुत simple equation है. So to find first complementary function, to find first complementary function. ठीक है, so to find complementary function we equate this expression with 0 and then substitute d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Okay, so using this we get m square minus m is equal to 0, and this can be written as m into m minus 1 equal to 0. So here one root is m equal to 0 and second root is m equal to 1. First root is 0 and second root is 1. Both are distinct, therefore its complementary function will be f1 y plus 0x plus f2 y plus 1x. Or this can be written as f1 y plus f2 y plus x. This is complementary function, required complementary function. Now next to find particular integral. Okay, now next to find particular integral. तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि कुछ simplifications लगेंगे because that is not in the standard form. So we write here sin x into cos 2y. ठीक है, अगर आपको याद है formulas, so cos of नहीं, cos का नहीं लगेगा, sin लगेगा. Sin a plus b. What is that? Sin cos sin. Sin cos sin. Similarly, sin of a minus b is equal to, yes, sin cos minus cos sin. So in place of a and b, we substitute here 1 or x and 2y. X and 2y. So in place of a, we substitute x, and in place of b, we substitute 2y. ठीक है, तो ये जो दो फॉर्मूलेज है हमारे कैसे फॉर्म हो जाएंगे? दिस विल बी साइन ऑफ x plus 2y is equal to sin x into cos 2y plus cos x into sin 2y. Then sin of x minus 2y will be what? Sin x into cos 2y and minus cos x into sin 2y. We need this term sin x into cos 2y क्योंकि वो वही टर्म है हमारा पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल में. ठीक है, तो ये टर्म वहां पे होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, so that's why we need that term. That's why we add these two terms. ठीक है, ये जो दो इक्वेशंस है इनको ऐड कर देंगे तो ये टर्म्स यहाँ से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे because they have opposite sign. One is plus and one is minus. And now this becomes 2 into sin x into cos 2y, और इधर बन जाएगा sin x plus 2y plus sin x minus 2. If you remember direct formula वो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, अगर आपको याद रहता है, if you remember direct formula, or else you can form this formula by using the simple calculations. ठीक है, so sin of x plus 2y plus sin of x minus 2y, and this is upon 2. So in place of this sin x into 2 cos y, we will substitute this, and now you can see these terms are in the standard form. sin ax plus by. ठीक है, तो और you can write just 1/2 into sin x plus 2y plus sin x minus 2y. Okay, now we write formula. Okay, so what is particular integral? Particular integral when your f of xy is in the form of sin ax plus by, it is 1 upon f of d dash into sin ax plus by. We have, or we substitute, or we convert that expression in the form of d square, d into d dash and d dash square into sin ax plus by, and then we substitute in place of d square minus of a square, d into d dash minus of ab, and d dash square minus b square. we substitute. ठीक है, तो ये तो है पूरा फॉर्मूला. दिस इज ऑल जो कि स्टैंडर्ड है. ठीक है, and now we write our expression, which is particular integral equal to 1 upon, what is f of d dash? It is d square minus d into d dash, d square minus d into d dash. And what is f of xy? f of xy हमारा ये था, but we had converted into this. ठीक है, हमने उसको कन्वर्ट करके रख लिया है. So it is nothing but the 1 upon 2 into sin of x plus 2y plus sin x minus 2y. ठीक है, and this is equal to, this can be written as this 1/2 taking outside, 1 upon d square minus d into d dash sin x plus 2y plus 1 upon d square minus d into d dash sin x minus 2y. ठीक है, and now we substitute here. Here the value of a is 1 and b is 2. यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 1 है and the value of b is equal to -2. ठीक है, -2 है. तो यहाँ पे d स्क्वायर के जगह पे क्या सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे? माइनस ऑफ a स्क्वायर मीन्स माइनस ऑफ 1, और d इंटू डी डैश के जगह पे क्या सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे? माइनस ऑफ ए बी. माइनस ऑफ ए बी मीन्स -2. ठीक है, यहाँ पे डी स्क्वायर, क्योंकि ए और बी की वैल्यूज अलग अलग है, सो डी स्क्वायर विल बी माइनस ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. माइनस ऑफ ए स्क्वायर मीन्स -1, और d इंटू डी डैश स्क्वायर की टर्म तो है ही नहीं, दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट टेक दैट. ठीक है, सो d इंटू डी डैश विल बी माइनस ऑफ ए बी. माइनस ऑफ ए बी मीन्स माइनस ऑफ ए मीन्स 1 इंटू -2, सो इट विल बी +2. ठीक है, ये एक्सप्रेशन में ये दो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, और ये ऊपर वाले एक्सप्रेशन में ये दो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो इसको लिख लेते हैं. दिस इज 1 upon 2. in place of d2 is minus what 1 upon -1, and this is minus. ठीक है, and sin of x plus 2y plus 1 upon d square means -1. d square means -1. ठीक है, and this -2 sin x minus 2y, and we simplify this. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, दिस विल बिकम 1/2 इंटू, यहाँ पे ये -1 और ये +2 साइन ऑफ x+2y प्लस यहाँ पे ये -3 1/-3 साइन x-2y, ठीक है। So here it is +1, so means 1/2 साइन इंटू x+2y, ठीक है। इससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए, यहाँ पे तो 1 आ गया और यहाँ पे ये माइनस हो गया और ये 1/2 इंटू 1/3 will become 1/6, will become 1/6 into sine of x minus 2y. So this is your final complementary function. Final complementary function. Okay. So now we finally what we write final solution. So final solution is what? Z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. So what was complementary function? Our complementary function was f1 plus f2 y plus x, and plus particular integral is this, means 1/2 sine x+2y minus 1/6 sine x minus 2y. Okay, so this is final solution. Now next, example number 34. Example number 34, solve d square plus d into d dash, d square plus d into d dash minus 6 d dash square z is equal to cos 2x plus y. 2x plus y. It is already in the standard form. पहले से standard form में है. So we just find its complementary function directly. Okay. So we just find first complementary function. So to find complementary function, we substitute d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1, and we equate this term with 0. So we get m square plus m minus 6 is equal to 0. So factors of -6, so that your sum will be +1 is 3 minus 2 and 3 into -2. Okay. So this, its factors are m plus 3 and m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, first root is -3 and second root is +2. Roots are distinct. Roots are distinct. Therefore, its complementary function will be f1 y minus 3x plus f2 y plus 2x. Okay. So this is all about the complementary function. Now next we find its particular integral. So particular integral तो डायरेक्टली आपको दिख रहा है कि cos of ax plus y की टर्म है वहां पे, ठीक है। यहाँ पे कोई सिंप्लीफिकेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. So we just find its particular integral by substituting the formula, that is 1/f of d dash into f of xy, ठीक है. So फॉर्मूला भी आपको पता है, बार बार नहीं लिखेंगे. So we just write here f of d dash is what, d2 plus dd dash minus d dash square minus 6 is there, 6 है वहां पे, ठीक है. And here cos of what? Cos of 2x plus y, 2x plus y, ठीक है. So what here the value of a is 2, b is 1. So in place of d square we substitute minus a square means minus 4. In place of d into d dash, minus of ab, minus of ab means minus 2. And in place of d dash square is equal to what? 1 minus minus b square. So it is minus of 1 square means minus 1. Okay, this all these three things we have to substitute here. So it is equal to 1 upon d square. D square means minus 4 plus d into d dash means minus 2. And this minus 6 into d dash square means minus 1. Cos 2x plus y. Now let's see what's the sum of this. Minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 2, and this is plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 means it is equal to 0. यहाँ पे 0 आ गया. So here we cannot apply this formula, means we cannot go further. यहाँ पे particular integral पे नहीं आए हैं हम, because we are getting here 1 by 0, and you know very well that 1 upon 0 does not exist. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या करेंगे? So what we will do here, it is a case of failure. ठीक है, it is a case of failure. ये भी इस टाइप का पहला ही प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं हम. ठीक है, so it is the case of failure, directly we can see. ठीक है, so that cannot be the particular solution, that cannot be the method to find the particular integral. ठीक है, ये मेथड हम नहीं यूज कर सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे नीचे 0 आ रहा है. So now what we will do? ठीक है, so again we write here particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus d into d dash minus 6 d dash square into cos 2x plus y, 2x plus y. ठीक है, तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? We differentiate this term with respect to d. d2 plus d into d dash minus 6 d dash square है. So its differential with respect to d means 2d and plus d dash, 2d plus d dash. ठीक है, and we will write this, इसको differentiate करेंगे with respect to d. ठीक है, so और यहाँ पे देंगे x, यहाँ पे देंगे x. ठीक है, so this will be x into 1 upon this 2d plus d dash into cos 2x plus y. फिर से नहीं कर सकते इस प्रॉब्लम को, क्यों? Because we don't have the terms of d square, d dash and minus d square. So what to do? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे we multiply by d so that it will be 2d square. नहीं, d बाहर ही है, so not d square, 2d plus d dash, so that this dd will get cancelled and cos of 2x plus y. यहाँ पे ये x और ये d अपॉन ये हो जाएगा 2d square plus d into d dash. And now very easily you can substitute in place of d square minus 4 and in place of d into d dash what minus of AB means minus of 2. ठीक है, so into cos of this 2x plus y यहाँ पे चाहिए. ठीक है, so here x this d as it is, this 2 minus d square means minus 4, and this is minus 2 cos of 2x plus y, and it is equal to this x into d upon this minus 8, and minus 2 means minus 10. Yes, minus 10, and cos of 2x plus y. So here this x upon minus 10